Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is going to be a brief show, and I'm going to tell you why. This is, let me get this little guy out of the way. This is a little radio from Jeff's collection. It's called a Trancel Model T-7. Was made by Toshiba back about 1960s. He's had it completely refurbished, recapped, realigned and everything, but I can't get the back off to put a battery in it. And it doesn't appear, it feels heavy like it has a battery, but there's no audio. So I'm assuming it doesn't have a battery, because like me, Jeff knows that you don't want to leave batteries in your radios if you're not going to use them for a while, because they will leak. Earphone jack, tuning knob right here, AM only. But here's the problem with it. I can't get that screw out. It just turns and turns and turns. I don't want to do anything to damage your radio, so I'm not going to force it. Very unique here as a kickstand. I've never seen a kickstand on a radio this old. So that's about it. Like I say, I could, see, it is cracked right here, and I could put a screwdriver in here, trying to wedge it open. Let me get this out of the way. Trying to wedge it open as I turn the screw. I don't want to force it, because I had a little bit of trouble turning the screw, because I've got a case of trigger finger, which is your finger folds down all by itself, and then you have to pull it back. So that makes it hard for me to use a screwdriver. I've got power screwdrivers. No, I don't want to use a power screwdriver. So that's all I can show you, Jeff, about this radio. And maybe you can put a comment in and tell me, what I could try to do. Again, I don't want to force it. Nice little radio. Come on. Here we go. I don't know how many transistors. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios, and have a great day. Bye-bye.